Okay, so we're going to taste test this today, and this is called a Saturn Peach. You'll see these a lot of times in the food store. They're very flat in nature, and they look regular on the top when I show it to you, and on the bottom, but they're very flat like that. Now, I don't know if they go by different names other than Saturn Peach, but let's give it a bite and see what it tastes like. First of all, it's very juicy, so it's not a dry experience. I do not like my peaches, apricots, and what do you call those? Not tangerines, nectarines. I don't like those dry, or plums either. I like them to be a little bit juicy, but you know, not too juicy where it's mushy. This one was pretty firm in the middle, and it wasn't a gushy experience. But what I can say is the peach flavor, it's very pronounced in this peach. It's not like eating the yellow peaches or the white peaches or the... I mean, those peaches are good, don't get me wrong, but they're kind of funny. Sometimes you get them and they're dry, sometimes you get them and they're just kind of awkward in flavor. You know, like the flavor's not right on them, but they're edible. I'm just saying they're not that good. But this one, I've eaten a few of these already. Every time I eat one of them, it's the same experience. It's pretty much juicy, and the flavor of the peach in here is very peach flavored. It's got not heavily really strong, but like a pretty good peach flavor. Not super strong where it's you know, offsetting your palate. It's just got a really good peach flavor. It's pretty prominent. Whereas a lot of times I get peaches from the store and they're so-so quality. I mean, they'll either not have much of a peach flavor or they're dry, and they're just kind of awkward. You got to get them at the right time. You got to let them sit out at the right time, and they get juicy. And this one, every time I get it, you can buy them and you can eat them right, pretty much straight out the gate, and you're going to have a good peach. Let me take one more bite, and we'll be done with this review. Absolutely worth buying. I'm going to tell you right now that type of peach flavor, it almost tastes like a peach candy, like almost like an artificial flavor, but not, I can't say artificial. I used to get this gum when I was a kid. It used to come in like a stick, and it was a peach flavored gum, and they didn't sell it anymore. Like, I only had it like 1 year or 2 years, but the flavor of that peach gum was very distinct and had a really nice peach flavor. This reminds me of that peach flavor. I don't get peaches now that taste quite that way. This one actually tastes like that. It almost tastes like candy. It's very, very good. I highly recommend buying these peaches. If you've never tried a Saturn Peach before, definitely give that a go. You won't be disappointed. Now, when you buy the peaches, you want to make sure that they're not gushy and firm. You know, they're not gushy and soft. You want to make sure it's kind of firm, feels kind of hard. You can let it sit out for a day if you want, and it'll soften up and become juicy, and then put it in the fridge, that kind of a thing. But the price tag on these are a little bit pricey. I think I bought 2 peaches, cost me, I think it was like 3 something. It was almost $4 for the 2 peaches. So they're pretty pricey. They're not really cheap. But if you don't eat a lot of peaches and you're kind of looking for that peach flavor, or you're going to make a smoothie and you want to add peach to it, and you want a good peach flavor, I would say give this one a try. It looks flat, so it kind of looks like you're not getting much of a peach on there, but believe me, the pit is really small, and this whole thing is pretty much edible. It's definitely worth the buy, or at least try it one time, you know, give it a go. All right, so that was a fruit review for the Saturn Peach. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.